Good morning mga ka-sunflower! Ngayon guys is magluluto ako ng pork with veggies with tofu. Kasi ngayon guys is second Sunday of the month and we have a potluck in our chapel. So I'm preparing right now kasi ito yung dadalhin ko na putahe sa potluck. So ito guys is meron akong marinated pork. Yung ginamit ko pag marinate guys, ito yung soy sauce, chicken powder, salt, and pepper. So, yan. Para ma-absorb yung flavor. Yan yung tofu. Cut ko lang siya ng cubes. Onion, sweet bell pepper, green onion, ginger with garlic, string beans, carrots, celery, and broccoli. So, ito lahat guys yung ingredients natin. From here, lalagay natin yung oil. Natin ang garlic and ginger. Hintayin lang natin siyang bumango. Lalabas yung fragrance niya. Ilagay na natin yung marinated pork. Add natin onion. Mix lang natin siya. Papabayaan lang natin yan na mag-reduce ng liquid. Yung stir-fry lang natin yung vegetables. First na ilalagay natin is yung tofu. Kasi yung tofu is very soft. So, yan yung tofu. Spread lang natin siya evenly. Pwede nating lagyan ng salt yung tofu para may flavor siya. A little bit saltiness. At saka pepper, black pepper. Mix natin. So yung pork natin is malambot na. So, ayan, nag-lightly brown na siya. Mix lang natin. So, from here, guys, i-add lang natin yung tofu. So, takpan natin siya ulit. Medium heat lang. First na ilagay natin is yung string beans. Carrots, celery, yan. After 3 minutes, lagay natin last yung broccoli. Kasi madali lang yung broccoli maluto, guys. So, yung veggies natin, guys, is okay na siya. Lipat lang natin siya dyan. Yan. This will be so yummy, guys. Yung bell pepper at saka yung scallions. Scallions pala. Yeah. So, spread lang natin siya. At saka yung bell pepper. And mix lang natin siya. And then let this sit for about 5 minutes. Lagyan ko siya ng oyster sauce. Para may konting flavor siya. Para mag-mix yung flavor niya. A little bit of saltiness. And then lagyan ko rin siya ng guya seasoning. I love this one. My favorite. Yan. Black pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of soy sauce. About 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Lagyan ko siya ng pampalapot. Lagyan ko siya guys ng cornstarch. Mix lang natin cornstarch sa water. Add lang natin siya. As you can see, it's a little bit bright color. Pampalapot siya ng sauce. Add olive oil. Kunti lang olive oil, mga 1 tablespoon. And then mix natin siya.